Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haq here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you before and after of the Redex treatment. So that's my mileage at the moment, miles per gallon, which is 28.3. It's quite low. That's because this is a city driving, by the way. On the motorway it gets about 50, sometimes 48 at the max. Mainly 48, so I'll count it as 48 to 50, and in cities gain about 28.3 or 30. That's the max I've seen so far. This is a 10-year-old car, so hopefully the Redex treatment will do it well. Let's see how much we can gain. Alright guys, I'm going to fill up the Redex, and then if you've not checked out my last video of how to do it, then please watch that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, this is after 2 weeks of the Redex treatment. As you can see, we got this is city driving 41.8, 41.7, and the highest I've seen is 44. So we got a massive increase from 28 to 30. So it's definitely worth it. This is an old car, so it makes a big difference. And then on motorways, we're hitting nearly 70, sometimes higher, a bit higher. The highest I've seen is 76 miles per gallon. So that's really big improvement there from the 50s, 60s. So that's a really big improvement. Redex definitely very good, very good. You should definitely get it. 100% worth it. And because I'm idling at the moment, the consumption is going down, average consumption. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Here's Mr. Wahidul Haq. We've got some milkshakes here, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.